for those looking to engage in cryptocurrency mining using their PC. There are several software options available. One such option is Kudo Miner, a well-established Bitcoin mining software that offers a range of features, allowing users to mine Bitcoin and scale up their operations to mining farms or utilize internet cafes for added power. This software is easy to download and does not require significant investment in equipment to begin mining. Users simply need to sign up on the website, download the software, and start mining from home. Another option is Cryptex, a user-friendly and free software that is perfect for beginners. Upon downloading the software for Windows, it begins working immediately, automatically adjusting the PC's available resources to maximize earnings. Awesome Miner is also a powerful Bitcoin mining software compatible with Windows PC, offering a simple, no-fuss way to mine from a laptop or PC. It is easy to set up and get started, allowing users to quickly download and install the software before beginning to mine Bitcoin almost immediately. For those seeking more advanced mining setups, CG Miner is a well-known Bitcoin mining software that caters to GPU or ASIC mining, providing more control over hardware and settings. This software can be downloaded directly from the site, allowing users to start mining for free. Lastly, EC Miner is a reliable, free mining software that has been around for a while, offering straightforward use and support for users. The software can be downloaded based on system configuration, and once downloaded, users can start mining Bitcoin, with FAQ sections or direct support available to resolve any issues that may arise. These 5 Bitcoin mining software options are among the best available, each offering free use and support to help users get started with mining Bitcoin from their PC or laptop.